In this video, we're going to go through the quotation process. Currently, I've stocked my cart with all the products I want to purchase. But I have a few items that I would like the sales rep to review. So I request a quote. I put in my name and click Submit Quote. It's that simple. I'll also receive a confirmation email that my quote has been submitted. Now I'll wait while my rep reviews my request and works their magic. In the meantime, I can always go to my account to review the quote and check on the status. Once my rep has responded, I'll be notified by email that my quote is ready. Clicking on the link will direct me to the Wurth eShop. I may be prompted to log in. And here it is. I can see that the rep has adjusted some pricing for me. That's fantastic. I'm very happy with this, so I'm going to submit my order. From here, it's like regular online shopping. I can review my order. Everything looks good. Select the shipping address, choose a payment option, review once more, and agree to the terms and conditions. Lastly, I'll place the order. Requesting a quote is quick and simple. Now my order is on its way.